Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where I talk about my top stocks and I also talk about cryptocurrency from time to time. If you're new, please click my subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, today was a pretty good day in the stock market. It was record highs in the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. Some of those stocks included SoFi Technologies, was up as much as 6.98% today. Palantir Technologies was up 4.69, and SoundHound shares were up as much as 8.85, and Apple was up 2.19%. Again, Apple was late in the day. There was rumor that they would sign a deal for AI with Anthropic. So the AI giant Anthropic, it was mentioned that Apple may be closing a deal with them. So that was the reason why Apple took off. And of course, the data center giant CoreWeave. CoreWeave shares were up as much as 2% on the day for a gain of $24 in my portfolio. Now we'll go over to the news. Okay, here we are on the CNBC. The big news for Monday is Trump's spending bill. It is getting some resistance, but it may pass the big, beautiful bill. Some news about Oracle stock. Also, Canada trade talks have started. There was some rift this weekend when Canada mentioned they would start a digital tax. Okay. Also, Musk shreds Trump's tax bill as debt slavery, vows to unseat Republican who backs it. Okay, Trump rips AT&T service weeks after Trump mobile licensing deal announced. And Mark Zuckerberg announces creation of Meta Superintelligence Labs. Okay, so Mark Zuckerberg does have one of the hottest top Meta platforms. It's looking to increase its artificial intelligence research and development even further. Okay, and stocks futures are flat after S&P notches new record to cap a winning second quarter. Okay, so it is the end of quarter two. I just wanted to share with you a couple of stocks. For example, SoFi. SoFi shares over the last 6 months is up as much as 16%. And today, shares hit a record high of $18.84. Okay, so that was good news. Anthony Noto is leading the way. Again, the 52-week low in this share is actually $6. So from a 52-week low of $6, it has tripled in value from $6 all the way up to $18.92. Also, Palantir Technologies is up over the last 6 months, 76%. Okay, so that's from a share price of about 80 or $68 per share is now up $76. And again, today it rallied, okay? Today's shares were up as much as 4.26%. Okay, and lastly, today a hot stock, SoundHound. SoundHound shares were up as much as 7.62% over last month. And today they were up as much as 9%. Okay. If you look at the 52-week low, it was trading about $3.82. Okay. And its high is trading at $24.98. So even again, if you would have got this, a year ago, you're talking about a stock that's gone from $3.82. Very exciting AI technology, voice operated software. Okay. So when you go to Papa John's or if you go through the drive-through at McDonald's, they could possibly be using SoundHound AI technology. Okay, so we'll see what happens in this huge AI race. But SoundHound AI today rallied up over 9.16%. And now we'll go to my Charles Schwab portfolio. Okay, SoFi Technology is hitting a high of $18.45 today. My portfolio increased by $428. Consider I hold over 416 shares at the average cost of $10 a share. I'm up a little over $3,400, up over 82% in my position. As this thing notches higher, I'm looking forward to Anthony Noto, the CEO of SoFi, and the earnings call at the end of July. Okay. Also, we have Palantir Technologies up 4.26%. Again, these shares have been rallying, like I mentioned in the previous clip. Over the last 6 months, they're up over 70%. And SoundHound shares up today, up over 9.14% for a gain of $46. Also, CoreWeave we talked about in this channel plenty of times, up over 1.93, almost 2% for a gain of $21. So those were my hot stocks today. Having good returns there. Let's look at the losers. Tesla shares are down 1.88%, down slightly. Okay, looks like they're down a little bit more, 3.84. Amazon shares down 1.72. And Advanced Micro Device. This is a time when you see these stocks dip. This is a time you might want to jump on Tesla. As we know, I am going to show a video here about the autonomous vehicle. Tesla did their first delivery autonomous vehicle. And I'm going to share with you that video here in a moment. But again, the future of autonomous vehicles could be Tesla. Again, their earnings call is at the end of July as well. Okay, so now we'll see the video, the first Tesla delivery from factory to customer. Okay, here it is, the vehicle, the Model Y. Again, driving to the first customer straight from the Tesla auto factory to the customer's home. Here it is, exciting news, watching Tesla deliver its first Model Y to customer. No driver and the customer site and Tesla employees on site. Exciting news. Customer looks so happy. Exciting stuff there. Check it out. Check out Tesla and the new autonomous vehicle. This is the future. Okay. Now we'll head back over to. Okay, again, today's top stock is SoFi Technologies, up over 7.45% for a little gain of over $400. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on the next video.